Okay, my drawing template is saved, but how do I save my sheet format?
Hello there and welcome to Hitchhiker's Guide to 3D Experience. My name is Christoffer. I'm a certified SOLIDWORKS expert and an elite application engineer with a passion for the 3D Experience platform. In this video, we will look at the differences between saving a sheet format in SOLIDWORKS Connected and in SOLIDWORKS Desktop. In SOLIDWORKS Desktop, saving a custom sheet format is done by clicking File and then selecting Save Sheet Format from the drop-down list. Boom, pretty simple. But in SOLIDWORKS Connected, this option is missing. So how do we go about saving the sheet format from here? Luckily, the answer is still pretty straightforward and somewhat similar. In SOLIDWORKS Connected, with the drawing open and containing the sheet format you want to save out for reuse, go to the File menu and from the drop-down list select Save as New. And this will open a new dialog window. A quick remark here is that if the drawing you are using has not yet been saved to your local PC, then choosing the Save to this PC option will trigger the same dialog box. Now, in the dialog box, click and activate the drop-down list for Save As Type. And on this list, choose Sheet Formats. Specify the location you want to save the sheet formats to and click Save. Now the individual sheet format has been saved and is ready to reuse. And the same goes for saving a drawing template. Instead of choosing sheet formats on the drop-down menu in the dialog box, you would just choose drawing templates instead. Additionally, with SOLIDWORKS connected to the 3D Experience platform, it's possible to store and manage our document templates and our sheet formats, our custom property files, table templates, and lots more directly on the platform. So this makes it incredibly easy for a company to make sure that all users are working with the same templates all the time. Great, that's it for now. If you made it all the way through, please leave a comment if you have anything else you would like to see covered in a future video. For example, where to access the SOLIDWORKS RX tool in SOLIDWORKS Connected, let me know. Also, if you haven't yet, go check out my previous video on e-drawings and its replacement in SOLIDWORKS Connected. And be sure to look out for my next video covering where to access the SOLIDWORKS task scheduler in SOLIDWORKS Connected. Thanks for now. See you next time.